Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today's video, honestly, is gonna be an organizational video. I've been like, this is my excuse to like actually organize the pantry. I'm like, why not film it, right? I hope hopefully it turns out like cute and stuff. So I'm definitely excited for that. I did purchase all the stuff on Amazon. Some of the stuff I did purchase like Marshalls and stuff, but I'll link everything down below. If I find them online, I'll definitely link everything down below. But I'm definitely very excited to organize the pantry. So it's my fault, honestly. It's my fault though. Like, I've just allowed the kids to put the food up anywhere. Okay, whatever, I'll get to it when I get to it. And then all of a sudden now it looks like this. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and film it and take you along with me. I'm excited. Oh my God, look at this pinky. I was opening a drawer and then the other one was like halfway open, and when it hit the top of the drawer and it like cut the piece of skin off. Ugh, it hurt so bad. But anyways, okay, so let's go ahead and show y'all the review of this horrible pantry, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Right now, I'm pretty much getting everything at the very top because I also want to put some baskets up there to just reorganize everything that's up there as well, even though I can't really reach up there, but it has a lot of space up there. So just taking everything out, all the little baskets, the little whatever those are called, container thingies, where all that stuff. Making sure that I don't leave nothing in there. And thankfully I can fast forward because this took me a very long time to actually do, in real time. So just taking everything out, all of the things that I will still be using, or that I will be using and will reuse, I'll link them down below. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get some diluted Clorox with Pine Sol and water, and just give a thorough cleaning to the pantry. And I did also mop and sweep, but for some reason I couldn't find that footage. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much show you exactly how my kitchen looks after I took everything out of the pantry. I have all of these to clean up, to check to see if anything is expired. Anything that's no good, throw it away. All of that. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just putting the baskets and the jars in the closet, the pantry, to see how I want things organized. So I'm just trying to envision how I like it and if it makes sense for me to put it the way I'm doing it. And so far so good. Honestly, like the way it's turning out. So I will then start adding all of the food and throwing all the expired stuff away. But I still wanted to get that vision in my head before I put any food inside the baskets or jars. So as you can see, I'm just showing y'all like a little bit of how it's gonna look. Okay, so now the fun part. Now I'm just basically getting all of the expired food, which honestly I really didn't have much, but I did have just unnecessary boxes still there, things that I can just store in like the baskets or in the jars and stuff. So which was definitely a good thing, because I definitely had a lot of extra of those little jars, the little 16-ounce jars. I accidentally purchased 2 orders of them. I don't know why, so I had extra. But either way, when I go grocery shopping, I can always add more food if I need it. But yeah, pretty much this is me just adding all of the food. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just trying to get everything back in its place. I'm definitely struggling here at the top, trying to get all the stuff in since I'm very short, but I did it. Fun fact, I'm only 5 feet, so yeah, definitely struggling. And then now you're gonna see me just put all the baskets in the jars in their place, but I kind of was struggling a little bit because I was like, okay, should I put it at eye level or should I put it below? But I decided to just go with putting everything that I use at eye level, make those or put them at the top shelves, at the two top shelves. But yeah, so far I definitely like the way it turned out, and you can see I'm just still trying to debate on like where to put things. So I definitely was rearranging things, and trying to get everything to look nice. So here I'm also getting these little basket things that I did get on Amazon. Again, I will link everything down below on all the products that I used and purchased, if I can find them online. And these are just for like the canned foods and stuff. So I'm just trying to reorganize all the cans and stuff that I do use, make them look nice. I decided to call my sister and ask like what she thought about the pantry, because I was definitely still undecisive on like if I should leave it the way it looked. But I did. So now I'm just trying to finish the bottom part, which now it's the next day. And I'm just trying to finish filming, the rest of the stuff that I ended up ordering. Just a couple snacks, because I normally don't get snacks for the kids, with like these type of snacks, but I did, and I wanted to also use that part of the the little bracket things, whatever these are called, organizing can things. I don't only just use them for cans, like I use them for like snacks and stuff. So yeah, that pretty much completes the video, guys. I do truly want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.